Hello, teacher. I will be reading the answer corresponding to the exercise in the unit 1. This is the first exercise. 1.1. Complete the table with words from A and B opposite. The first one has been done for you. Noun and adjective. Fitness, fit, health, healthy, illness, ill, sickness, sick. 1.2. Make word combinations using a word from each box. Complete remission, feel sick, get over, for health and travel sickness. 1.3. Complete the conversation. Complete the conversation. Doctor, how are you feeling today? Patient, not very well. Doctor, how long have you been feeling sick? Patient, about a week. Doctor, what is your health like normally? Patient, very well, very good. I'm usually quite fit and well. Doctor, what is the problem now? Patient, it's my stomach. Doctor, do you feel nausea? Patient, yes. Doctor, have you actually been ill? Patient, no. Doctor, have you had any serious disease in the past? Patient, no, none at all. 1.4. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. Number 1. Her condition deteriorated and she died. 2. He recovered and was allowed to go home from hospital. Number 3. The cause of sleeping sickness was discovered in 1901. 4. The patient made a full recovery. 5. I have been in good health for a month and feel very fit. 6. It was a month before get over the illness. 7. He seems to be rather unwell. His diet is bad and he never exercised. Over to you. What advice do you give people for keeping fit and well? I will tell you, drink a lot of water, do constant exercise, eat fruits, vegetables, and everything that does not contain any calories.